Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how to delete your Telegram account. So make sure to watch the video till the end if you want to know how to do it. Deleting your Telegram account is a straightforward process. Let's get started. Step 1. Deleting your Telegram account. First, open the Telegram application on your device. Once you've launched Telegram, tap the three horizontal lines at the top left to access the menu. Now go to Settings. Scroll down and look for the Telegram FAQ option. Once you find it, tap on it. Scroll down again, and under Your Account, you'll find a link that says Delete Telegram Account. Tap on it. Here, you'll see information about how to delete your account. To proceed, tap the blue Deactivation page link. First, enter your phone number and verify it with the code sent to your Telegram account. After verifying your phone number, you can select a reason for leaving Telegram. Once you've selected a reason, tap on Delete My Account. Your Telegram account will be successfully deleted. And that's it. You've learned how to delete your Telegram account. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop them in the comments below. I read and respond to all of them. Thanks for watching.